So, how to make intelligent, meaningful images that are highly descriptive and explanatory in a one-shot prompt. First of all, look at this. It's about Apple Intelligence versus Gemini. So Siri and Apple Intelligence and GPT Chat versus Gemini Direct. Because why should you have to talk to GPT Chat, which has voice chat mode and spells your words better, through Siri first? You ask Siri something and then it opens GPT Chat, which I always call Chat GPT, and I think they named it the wrong way around as GPT Chat because it should be Chat GPT. Anyway, how did I get this image? Yeah, this is made on one shot as the intelligence loop versus direct path. Siri plus Apple Intelligence plus GPT Chat here. I need a recipe for lasagna. Okay, sending I need a recipe for lasagnas to GPT Chat. It's done the full spelling for me to explain that. Sorry, I don't and then GPT Chat. Sorry, I don't understand. I need a recipe for lasagna. Did you mean Apple Intelligence? Why use one when two can make it worse? Yeah. Therefore, Gemini Direct. Hey Gemini, can you give me a lasagna recipe? And there you go. It's got it wrong though. Enaced and Smoappies and wailed and green and Pisacci. But okay, never mind. It's not intuitive and accurate. So you would say, but it's enough. But you can revise it. That's a one shot, yeah? So it's got one mistake in it. But look how good it's getting. Yeah, this is completely right, yeah? That's fine. What it couldn't get was the lasagna recipe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's see if we can do that. This is using Gemini Pro, I've just realized. So we told it to revise the text for the lasagna recipe. If I was using Siri, this is an iPhone, but I'm in Gemini. I'm not talking to Siri and ChatGPT. I don't think it will get this right, by the way. But it will probably search for the lasagna recipe and try to get the words. But the point is, this is Nano Banana 2. And it's an image maker. So I'm trying to show how you could possibly use it, and you can, but still with slight mistakes. But this is quite a sophisticated banner versus message of Apple Intelligence versus Gemini, right? So let's see what it's done. It's probably just repeated. Oh no, look. Oh my God. Yeah, so look, it's put lasagna noodles, put bolognese sauce, ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, parmesan cheese, egg. Yeah. Well, that's okay. In one revision, yeah. It's left that how it is. It's left everything how it is, yeah. But it's changed this to lasagna noodles, so that's okay. I'll save that. And there you go. How to make absolutely fantastic. And that's already now one revision. Yeah. But I would imagine by the time they update Nano Banana even more, and it's got people use it more and it gets more data, and people use it like this, me using it like this, it will learn from this. And everybody using it like this, it will learn from this. And so pretty soon, the next time you say it with a one shot, one single prompt, you won't have to revise this. This will already be correct. Because that's what AI is doing. It's improving on itself all the time at an exponential rate. Image downloaded. Oh my God, that took a long time. So there you go. John Spencer from a tech podcast and AI tutorials playlist on my YouTube channel to show people how to use AI efficiently on how to use Nano Banana efficiently an image to encapsulate the context within this text and show how stupid Siri combined with Apple Intelligence, meaning Siri and GPT Chat or Chat GPT, not sure what it's called these days, that commands Gemini to find the proper terminology, if it's GPT Chat or Chat GPT. Really crazy that Siri is then here in between quotes, has to make an image from this text, taking context of this text and displaying a meaningful image, yeah? An image to encapsulate the concepts within this text, yeah? That's the prompt. Really crazy that Siri is just a voice assistant and can't even get the spelling of your words right, and puts itself between the iPhone and GPT Chat, which is not a voice assistant, but which will print out your dictated speech much more accurately. But with Apple Intelligence, which isn't very intelligent, you have to talk to Siri, so it spells it wrong and then sends it to ChatGPT. I find it much more intuitive to use Gemini to talk to Gemini above using Siri to talk to ChatGPT. Because Siri is going to spell everything wrongly and ChatGPT is going to misunderstand. And in any case, why use a text-to-voice assistant that doesn't work to talk to a text-to-voice AI that does? You can just do it directly, right? And then, so it came up with that. The intelligence loop versus direct path. Siri and Apple Intelligence versus GPT Chat. I need a recipe for lasagna. Goes to Siri. Siri sends, okay, needing some dough with a recipe of 4 lasagnas to GPT Chat. GPT Chat doesn't understand and responds with a "did you mean" instead of giving the response. It responds with a question instead of an answer. And then the user has to take over. So Siri just got in the way. If the user talked directly to GPT Chat, there wouldn't have been an eyeball needing some dough with a recipe and 4 different lasagnas. Yeah? Did you mean that? So if you say directly to the AI, even ChatGPT, GPT Chat, but Siri's getting in the way in the middle here. Yeah? Hey, Gemini, can you give me a recipe for lasagna? What Gemini Direct will respond with is not that, which is why I asked for a revision to make the text for the lasagna recipe in the right-hand image representing Gemini to be actual text for the actual ingredients of lasagna instead of gobbledygook. And then, of course, the whole image is perfect. In my opinion, in my humble opinion, this explains everything what I just wrote in text, because people are lazy to read these days, and I just posted that text. I'm posting that text on Facebook, and I'm going to have to change the image now because I posted it, and I can now edit the post, remove the picture, and add another picture, the new one, and post the better updated picture with the lasagna. Is it the one with the lasagna? Yeah, okay. So I updated my Facebook, and there you go. The intelligence loop versus direct path. Siri and Apple Intelligence, GPT Chat. That picture explains my text. With one revision. So I was hoping that to do a one-shot, show you how to do it one-shot, but it's a very complex prompt. Look at that text, yeah? It's really crazy that Siri is just a voice assistant and can't even get the spelling of your words right and puts itself between the iPhone and GPT Chat, which is not a voice assistant, blah, blah, blah. Put all that into here. And it did, and its only mistake was the lasagna recipe, because it randomly, and it didn't search. So, one revision and a two-shot result for a complex explanatory, graphically explanatory image in Nano Banana 2. See if you can do that with GPT Chats, whatever it's called. I don't know what they call their image maker. It makes good images actually, but anyway, this was about Apple Intelligence being shit and Gemini being much more direct, more intelligent, and also to show people how to use AI, in this case using Nano Banana Pro, this Pro, yeah, to make extremely complex images that are highly explanatory and accurate, yeah, with AI. To make that yourself as an image, you would be all day. I just did it in 2 prompts, yeah. I'm John Spencer from my Tech School and AI School podcasts, signing off.